Guys, so ayan, mag-harvest tayo ng cucumber. Yan, sarap nito, fresh. Tapos ito pa guys. Ito is maliit pa yata to. Pwede na to guys. Tapos there's another more. Ayan. Hi guys, so ito yung harvest namin ngayon ng cucumber. Dami guys, oh.